Ever wondered if the future of driving is unfolding where you expect? For decades, the US and Europe dictated car trends, um, but things are shifting. The electric vehicle revolution isn't just a wealthy nation's game anymore. Uh, to pay that into recent data reveals a surprising truth. And Southeast Asia and Latin America are now leading the charge in EV adoption. In 2019, only 4 countries boasted over 10% EV sales. At the same time, a similar powerful with various similar powerful. Uh, this is this is a topic bill. As an EV driver, it's amazing to witness this rapid change, especially in Asia. And China remains a front runner with over half of uh, new car sales being electric. But the speed of countries like Vietnam is truly remarkable. They've nearly hit 40% EV sales, doubling their numbers from last year. That's higher than the EU average of 26% and even surpasses the UK's 33%. Uh, Thailand is also gaining momentum with 20% of new cars being electric. The VinFast VF3 is Vietnam's top seller. Um, this compact mini SUV, just over 10 feet long, comfortably seats 4. It offers 7.5 inches of ground clearance and a range of up to 130 miles. Charging is quick to 10% to 70% in only 36 minutes. Most anticipated to cost around 15,000 pounds internationally. It's a compelling option. Many nations are embracing EVs to reduce costs and improve air quality. Ethiopia has stopped importing gasoline cars. With ample hydropower, EVs account for 60% of their sales or cells. Nepal's rate is even higher at 76%. These countries aim to lessen their dependence on expensive foreign oil, and Indonesia is also making strides, reaching 15% EV sales, exceeding the 7.3% in the US. Indonesia encourages local production with tax incentives for companies like CATL and BYD, boosting battery and vehicle manufacturing within the country. Electric vehicles are gaining traction in Latin America. Uruguay leads with 27% EV sales, followed by Costa Rica at 17%. Notably, both Brazil and Mexico now surpass Japan in EV adoption. That there's the SOC does have in Brazil, and Rush, which can cut fossil fuel use by up to 90. Affordable models like the BYD Dolphin Mini are making EVs accessible to more people. The Dolphin Mini costs around 16,700 pounds in Brazil, offering a range of about 174 miles with its 38 kilowatt hour battery, Corsten. It's a viable option for many families, and the US has reduced incentives. The rest of the world is accelerating EV adoption based on this. From January to October 2025, Electric cars accounted for 25% of all car sales worldwide. This growth is creating jobs. Vietnam's EV industry is projected to create 6.5 million jobs by 2050. The age of gasoline cars is ending and new leaders are emerging. Speaking of ending, what do you call an electric car that's always telling jokes? A current comedian. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.